In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a Remitly money transfer to Bangladesh. By the end, you'll feel confident setting up a transfer, choosing the right delivery and payment options, and reviewing all the important details before you proceed. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Remitly website. On the home page, look for the button that says Send Money and click it. This takes you straight into the flow where you'll set up your transfer. When you're asked where you want to send money, type Bangladesh and select it from the list. Picking the correct destination at the start ensures you see the right currency, delivery options, and fees for that country. If you land on a screen that looks pre-filled or shows a past recipient, choose Start Over, then pick Send to New Recipient. That clears any previous selections so you can begin a fresh transfer to the right person. Now you're on the main transfer screen. In the You Send box, enter the amount you want to send in your local currency. As you type, you'll see the exchange rate and any transfer fees update automatically. Just below in They Receive, you'll see the converted amount in Bangladeshi taka. If you want the recipient to get a specific amount, you can adjust that field and Remitly will recalculate what you need to send. Take a moment here to confirm the rate, the fees, and the estimated delivery time so there are no surprises. Next, choose the delivery method. Depending on what's available, you might see options like bank deposit, cash pickup, or mobile wallet. Pick the one that works best for your recipient's situation. Click Select One to choose the exact partner, bank, or pickup network for that method. Availability can vary, so select the option your recipient can access easily. Move on to the payment method. You'll typically see choices such as card or bank account, and these can affect speed and fees. Click. Select one to make your choice. After selecting, click Continue to move ahead. Now it's time to add your recipient's details. Enter the recipient's first name, then their last name exactly as it appears on their official identification. Small spelling differences can cause delays, so double check for accuracy. Click Continue. Enter the recipient's mobile phone number. This is helpful for delivery updates or pickup instructions, so make sure it's current and reachable. Include the correct country code if prompted. Click Continue to proceed. You'll see a recipient notification screen. If you don't want Remitly to notify the recipient on your behalf, choose No, thanks. You can always let them know yourself. Next, select your reason for sending from the list provided. This is a standard compliance question. Pick the option that best matches your purpose, then click Continue. For payment, if you haven't saved a card yet, click Add New Card. Then click Continue to open the secure card form. Here, enter your card number, the expiration date, and the security code from the back of your card. Type your name exactly as it appears on the card to avoid verification issues. Add your billing address and make sure it matches the address your card issuer has on file. Mismatched billing details are a common reason for payment declines, so it's worth getting this right the first time. With your payment details in, click Review Details. On this final review screen, carefully look over everything: the amount you're sending, what your recipient will receive in Bangladeshi taka, the exchange rate, the transfer fee, the estimated delivery time, and the delivery method you chose. Confirm the recipient's full name and phone number, and verify your payment method and billing information. If something doesn't look correct, this is the perfect place to go back and fix it before you proceed. And that's it. You've set up your Remitly transfer to Bangladesh, chosen how it will be delivered, selected how you'll pay, provided your recipient's details, and reached the review stage. Once everything looks accurate, you'll be ready to proceed with confidence. Thanks for watching, and take your time on the review step to ensure a smooth, successful transfer.